Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from CoinDCX to Phantom Wallet. So if you have Solana in your CoinDCX account, in order to send it to your Phantom Wallet, you first need to launch either your Phantom Wallet mobile application or your Phantom Wallet extension. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use my Phantom Wallet extension, but you will have to follow the same steps in your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Now, once you are in your Phantom Wallet, you just have to simply click on the receive option that would be on the home page. And from here, you need to copy the Solana address. So you need to just click on this copy button and it will be copied. Now you need to come in your CoinDCX mobile application, and on the home page, you just have to click on the account option. Once you are in your account, you will see the crypto transactions section. So you need to simply click on this option and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here, since you want to withdraw, you need to tap on the withdraw option and then it will ask you to select a token that you want to withdraw. In our case, we want to withdraw Solana. So you need to simply select Solana from this list. If you are not able to find Solana in this list, you can even use the search bar in the top right hand corner of the screen and you need to select Solana. Now in this example, I have chosen Bitcoin, but you will have to choose Solana over here, but the process will be quite same. So here, let's say that you have selected Solana. Now it will ask you, is the receiving wallet owned by you? So here you can either press yes if it is your account or no if the account is not yours. After that, in the network section, instead of the any other networks, you need to select the Solana network because we are working with Phantom Wallet, and in Phantom Wallet, Solana should be great. So you need to select the network as Solana, and here in this address section, you just have to paste the address that we have just copied from our Phantom Wallet. Afterwards, you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to basically transfer. You can select the percentage amount like 10%, 50%, or 100%. Then it will show you the balance, the withdrawal fees, and bunch of other details. So in order to withdraw it, you need to just swipe in order to withdraw. After that, it will show you your transaction details. So you just have to make sure that your details are correct. So once these are correct, you just have to simply confirm your transaction. Then it will show you the page that will look something like this, where your withdrawal will be requested, and once it is green, like once it is on the fourth step and it is checked, it simply means that you have successfully transferred your Solana from your CoinDCX account to your Phantom wallet. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.